How to enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp application on your device, then make sure to sign in or log in to your account. Tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings option. On the Settings page, tap on Chats, scroll to the bottom and tap on Chat Backup. When you scroll to the bottom, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Backup option and now tap on Turn On button. You have to select the Create Password button and then create a password which must contain at least 6 characters and 1 letter. Once you are done with that, tap on the Next button and retype your password to confirm. Now tap on Create button again. And then, after waiting for a while, your end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp will be enabled. That's how we do it. I hope this video worked for you. If this worked, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.